How to lose chest fat fast. Are you looking to lose weight around your chest? Looking for a solution to lose weight fast and effectively? If so, this video is just for you. Yes, we know just how hard it can be to lose weight, especially around your chest. But hey, there's good news. You can in fact successfully lose weight around your chest fast. That's only if you include these important tips into your weekly regime. Having excess chest fat can make you feel really uncomfortable as a man, especially when you take your shirt off in front of other people. So let's see what you can do to lose chest fat fast. Firstly, decrease your body fat percentage. Men and women store fats in different areas of the body. Women often store fat around the hips and thighs, whereas men often store fat around their chest, belly, and love handles. If you have more fat in your chest, it means that your body predominantly stores your body fat in the chest area. But don't worry, it's totally fixable. Simply, you just need to decrease your body fat percentage by decreasing calories and staying in a calorie deficit. There isn't a specific exercise that can target and burn chest fat. However, you can do exercises to build muscle around that area. For example, doing bench press or press up exercises will help build your pectoral muscle. So what you want to do is simply burn fat so that your body will remove the fat stored around your chest. Most people will tell you to lose 500 calories a day so that you stay in a calorie deficit. Additionally, you should calculate your macros, which involves finding out how much carbohydrate, protein, and fat you should consume per day. Another top tip is to stay away from processed foods and only eat food that has high nutritional values. Lastly, increase the amount of fitness you do per day, so your body naturally burns off more calories, meaning you lose the fat stored in your chest area. Perform weight training. Weight training will make the body use the fats and other foods you eat to build muscle, especially around your chest area. Doing chest workouts will allow your pecs to look tighter and more defined. Weight training doesn't target the fat surrounding the chest, but it does work the muscles, meaning we can change the chest's shape to a more muscular look. The best exercises we recommend to build a stronger and more muscular chest are the bench press, incline dumbbell press, press ups, and chest flies. These exercises will hit the pectoralis major and pectoralis minor, giving you that tighter chest. And that's it. Using the advice given in this video, you can now lose the fat surrounding your chest. Now it's up to you to implement these tips into your daily routine. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more informative fitness videos, subscribe to the channel.